up. I got some two shots for the camera.
I salute all the men, the women, the young people, the elder, those in their work clothes, those in their suits, those in jackets, and those who have simply come forward to take a stand on behalf of our country. Enough, we say, is enough. And we here today are demonstrating the power of the people in the streets. We come in peace. We mean no harm. Our only intention is to put the people and the country first. I ask you, my Jamaicans, all of us have found ourselves in a position where we might have to go to court. Would you want to be prosecuted by someone who is talking out on the streets that you're guilty?
No.
Would you want to have a judge try your case who you have heard say you're guilty? No. And that is what is happening in this case. The Prime Minister has chosen someone for this task who he knows has pronounced and says he is innocent.
That's right.
And we are here to shatter that web of deceit and lies.
That's right.
Because what they did was that they wore the wicked from long time. This is not a plan from yesterday.
No.
This is a plan from long time. And when you heard Dennis Chung say there was nothing wrong with the Prime Minister's integrity declaration, nothing wrong with his bank accounts. When you heard him say that he was auditioning for this job, that was his first interview for this position. And when you heard him say that board money never reached SSL, what can go so? What can go so? How did he come into possession of that information when the rest of us, all of us, are still waiting on the Kroll report? Why are they hiding the Kroll report? When Selvin Hay was leaving and he said there were many more arrests to be made,